Genre is a French word which means kind of, sort of, category, or type of something. Literature means books, poems, and other written work that has creative or scientific value. In our daily life, the most common text we read are in emails, newspapers, Google search articles, a storybook, a poem, and textbook. All these are part of some genre or category of literature. Literature can be broadly classified into various genres: poetry, prose, drama. Each of these has various subgenres. Poetry has verses or a series of lines that may or may not rhyme. Lyric genre of poetry is where the poet expresses thoughts as they see. For example, haiku, an ancient Japanese form of poetry. Ode and sonnet are also in lyric genre. The wind is blowing, I feel the leaves below me. As I walk, they crunch is an example of haiku. Narrative genre of poetry is where the poet tells a story. Epic genre of poetry is long and usually is about a hero. Ballad usually has a narrative that tells stories. Mahabharata is an example of an epic genre. Dramatic poetry is another genre of poetry, in which poetry is spoken by characters in dialogue or monologue, like in William Shakespeare dramas. Prose is all that we speak, read, and write other than poetry. Prose is made up of sentences and paragraphs, has conventions of grammar without any rhyming structure. Prose is matter of fact, informative, descriptive, entertaining, or fictitious. Prose has subgenre of fiction and non-fiction. Fiction is imagination of the author and not real. Non-fiction, on the other hand, is informative, explanatory, and factual or real. Fiction is prose that has a distinct style, technique, and purpose. Fiction has various subgenres. Fantasy has stories based in an impossible, very different from real life and magical world. Lord of the Rings is an example of fantasy genre. Humor involves a writing style or events that are comical or amuses the reader. Good Driving Amelia Bedelia is an example of humor genre. Adventure fiction has elements or events that are thrilling, dangerous, and exciting. Akimbo Adventures is an example of adventure fiction genre. Mystery has events and elements that create suspense and usually involves a crime. Suspense in the whodunit plot is resolved and mystery is solved in the end. A to Z Mysteries is an example of mystery genre. Horror fiction creates feelings of fear, dread, shock, and disgust. There is an emotional and palpatory impact of horror on the reader or audience. Scary stories is an example of horror fiction genre. Folk tales are cultural stories of a land or region and often are retold over generations. They are entertaining and usually have a lesson. Folk tales for kids, India, is an example of folktale genre. Fairy tales are magical or supernatural stories for children, set in a fantastical world. They spark the imagination of a reader. Osborne Fairy Tales for Little Children is an example of fairy tale genre. Realistic fiction has issues and events that seem real and resemble present times, but the characters and events are fictitious. Thatta at School by Richa Jha is an example of realistic fiction. Historical fiction has stories based in the background of real history, but has characters and events that are imaginary. Ahimsa by Supriya Kelkar is an example of historical fiction genre. Science fiction has stories that are imaginary but based on science and technology. Stories involve imagined time travel, space, aliens, scientific advancements, scientific calamities or emergencies, imaginary discoveries or technology. Space Academy by Martin Bloch is an example of science fiction genre. Now we move to non-fiction genre. Non-fiction prose is factual, real, and is mostly research-based. It has a structure, distinct form, and purpose. Non-fiction also has various subgenres. Biography is an account of someone's life written by another author. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, written by A.K. Gandhi, is an example of biography genre. Autobiography is the author's account of their life. Wings of Fire, written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam with the help of another author, Arun Tiwari, is an example of autobiography genre. Narrative non-fiction, also known as creative or literary non-fiction, is factual information told in a narrative style to make an interesting story. Excellence Has No Borders by Dr. Ajay Kumar is an example of narrative non-fiction. Magazines, research journals, and daily newspapers have articles, research paper, and news articles. PC Quest, Science Reporter, and newspapers are an example of this genre. Reference material like encyclopedia, dictionary, map, gazetteer, user manuals, pamphlets, and such other have specific function, purpose, presentation, and text features. Science Visual Encyclopedia, Little Oxford English Dictionary and Thesaurus, Atlas, the Gazetteer of India, and user manuals are an example of reference material. Travelogues are descriptive account of travel journey, places, experiences, and stay. Around India in 80 Trains is an example of travelogue genre. Self-help genre focus on problem solving related to personal attitudes, habits, motivation, goal setting, and so on. They have ideas, practices, and theories which can be adopted and implemented by readers for better productivity. Joy at Work, Good Vibes, Good Life are an example of self-help genre. Drama is a play acted out in theatre, on radio or television, with dialogues or monologues by characters in a setting. Drama can be a fictional story or based on true events. Drama dialogues can be in prose or poetry. Drama has subgenres: comedy, tragedy, melodrama, tragic comedy, opera, and one-act play. A funny or comic drama that amuses the audience is a comedy drama. Farce drama is a variant of comedy. It can have mix-up of exaggerated situations and errors and can have a sarcastic edge. As You Like It by William Shakespeare is an example of comic drama. A drama that has a sad ending is a tragedy drama. It has serious topics that lead to some loss. Macbeth by William Shakespeare is an example of tragedy drama genre. Melodrama uses music and portrayal is sensational, larger than life with exaggerated emotions and acting. Movies like Kramer vs. Kramer, Batman, Superman are melodrama genre. Tragic comedy has elements of both tragedy and comedy. Merchant of Venice by Shakespeare is a tragic comedy. Opera has music, dance, songs, and dialogues. It can be comic or tragic comedy. Mozart operas are an example of these. One-act play is concise and has only one act rather than several acts. The Post Office is a one-act play by Rabindranath Tagore. This is a concise list of literary genres.